Using Amazon Prime Video with a wallet card is a convenient and easy process. To start, you need to have an Amazon account and a wallet card, which can be a credit or debit card. First, go to the Amazon website and sign into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the required information. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Amazon Prime Video section. Click on the Try Prime or Sign Up button to start your free trial or subscription. You will be asked to provide your payment information, which is where you will use your wallet card. Enter the details of your wallet card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to select the correct billing address and confirm that all the information is accurate. After providing your payment details, you will be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of Amazon Prime Video. Once you have agreed, your subscription will be activated and you can start using Amazon Prime Video. To confirm that your wallet card has been successfully linked to your Amazon Prime Video account, go to your account settings and check your payment methods. You should see your wallet card listed as the primary payment method. You can also manage your payment methods and update your wallet card details at any time. It is essential to note that Amazon Prime Video will automatically renew your subscription at the end of each billing period. If you want to cancel your subscription, you need to do so before the next billing period to avoid being charged. You can cancel your subscription at any time by going to your account settings and selecting the End Membership option. When using your wallet card to pay for Amazon Prime Video, make sure to keep your card details up to date and secure. Regularly review your payment methods and update your wallet card details if necessary. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your wallet card to pay for Amazon Prime Video and enjoy your favorite shows and movies.